Pretty cool tree, gnarly root system on it. So yeah, g'day. I'm away to Curtis Falls here in Mount Tamborine. We've had so much rain over the last 3 days. We've had about 280 mils. So the waterfall should be pumping, and I'm keen to get down there and take some photos of it. Originally not in my plan. I was going to go to Nightcap National Park. It's closed due to flooding, but I'll try and get down there in the next couple of days. Got a few days off work, so I was going to drive down there. This tree is awesome. Look at the root system on it. Might see if I get a photo on the way back. Yeah, so as I was saying, Curtis Falls. It's about a 400 meter walk from the car park, quite accessible. Down to the bottom here. Quite a few cars here at the moment. It's a Sunday morning. I don't think there'd be anyone here, so I'm gonna make my way down. And like I said, the waterfall itself should be pumping. I've been here a few times, and you really need to come when you had significant rainfall. So yeah, let's get down there and see what shot we can get. All right, let's go. I just stopped along the track here. It is absolutely deafening in here. With the cicadas just come to life after all the rain. So this is a subtropical rainforest, or wet eucalyptus rainforest. A lot of eucalyptus trees in here, and vines and palm trees, so it's pretty amazing in here. Just the noise is deafening. Check out this cool big hollow logged out tree there. Don't want to stick my head in there. There's probably something living in there. Big huntsman or something. Yeah. So we'll carry on down to the falls. Wow. That's amazing, that sound. All right, let's get down there. Seriously, that is just piercing my ears. Unreal. Okay, I'll just show you the palm sort of wet forest here, subtropical rainforest from up here. Yeah, so check out this bad boy. This huge root system in here. Amazing old tree. I'm not sure if we'll make a good photo. It's pretty hard to get the composition. I'm trying to look for one, but it is one fascinating root system here. It's all hollowed out in the middle. And then it's got other root systems like hanging, I guess, through the middle. You can't see in here, but on the camera. But yeah, it is one amazing looking tree. I've just made it to the waterfalls, and she is pumping. And I've set up a composition. I'm getting down low. I'll show you the waterfalls. So that's her, Curtis Falls. Spectacular when it's flowing, fairly boring when it's not. So I'll just show you my composition here. My camera's quite low, simply because I want in the right hand frame here. I'll set you up. Right hand frame, I've got my water coming through. I've got this nice green plant here, and Curtis Falls. So you got that leading line coming through. I'm shooting at 1 second, f16 and ISO 50. So I'll take a shot. And that's what it looks like. All right, so talk you through my second composition here. It's this log leading line to the waterfall. It's actually starting to rain here, so I might have to wrap it up soon, getting water on the lens. Yeah, so this log is my leading line to the waterfall. Don't know if you can see it. I'm shooting at 1 second f16 and ISO low. I think it's about ISO 50. I climbed up on this log from the creek bed below. It's starting to rain heavy now, and it's got a few stinging nettles on it, and the sting or the whatever it is has leached out of the leaves and gone all over the log. So I've climbed up, I'm in shorts, I've climbed up over the log and I've stood up and I'm going, wow, my legs are on fire. My shins, my knees, and I looked around, I see some stinging nettle leaves, which have obviously leached out all their chemical or whatever it is, the little hairs, I guess they have all over this log. And as I'm standing here talking, my knees, my legs are on fire. So it's not leeches today, it's not mozzies, it's not snakes, it's stinging nettle. All right, I gotta go, it's absolutely coming down now. So I'll find another composition somewhere and so yeah, I was going back and I cut back down to the lower section of the circuit here, and I found a little composition. It's gotten really dark in here all of a sudden. It did stop raining, and now I can just check the weather app, and huge another cell coming over. So I'll quickly show you this composition and try and make my way back to the car, get a coffee at Tamborine. So I'll just show you. I'm in the river here, creek, sorry. And I got this cool little fern here with this tree, the fern and the tree, and then the stream coming down in the right hand side of the frame, leading up to the sort of rainforest in the back there. I'll probably crop the back of that out, the top of the rainforest out. I don't know if you can see the light changing in here, but she just got really dark. So I'm shooting at 1 second, f10, and I'm at ISO 125 because it's really dark in here. As you can see on the back of my camera, I don't know if you can, it's actually getting darker, so I might pop the ISO up a little bit, maybe to 200. Yeah, 1 second's good for water. I'll go F9, take another shot. Yeah, so if you're ever here in Curtis Falls, well, so yeah, if you ever make your way to Tamborine, come down to Curtis Falls, watch the weather. You don't want to come down when it's torrential like today. There's actually quite a few people in here. I'm surprised. I didn't think there would be that many people in here today. It is a Sunday, but yeah, lots of families. The Curtis Falls has a viewing platform, so you don't get it to yourself very often. Probably best to come a weekday. Constantly people coming, you know, I'm trying to film, get embarrassed, and trying to take shots. So I'll post my pics up this little creek here I took, and Curtis Falls. Let me know what you think. Might walk back and see if I can get a shot of that gnarly root system before. So it was all wet and black. Wow, she's gonna pour down in a minute. Yeah, I'm just thinking, all right, I'll make a move. So I made it back to my car quickly. Torrential rain for about an hour. I was just sat there. I really wanted to come back and take this root system of this tree. So I waited, rain passed, and I've come back down here to this root system, and I'll just show you my composition quickly. So I've got this root coming from the sort of bottom right hand corner here, wrapping around. It's got a puddle in it. I don't know if you can see that. Makes this perfect little circle and tree. So here, you can't see it on the back of my camera, but I'll probably crop the sides out so you just have the main focal point of the tree itself. You can hear a siren. There's a road back over there. You can hear a siren, probably in the wet weather, torrential. Someone's probably had an accident or something, unfortunately. But anyway, that's my composition. I'm shooting at 1 second, f10, ISO 200. It's still quite dark in here, believe it or not. So yeah, I'll post this pic up of this root system. I'm working it, so I might put a couple up. Tell me what one you prefer, which one you like. And yeah, that's pretty much my day. So I just wanted to say, you know, if you like my content and my pictures, please thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. Yeah, once again, thanks a lot. Peace out. Have a good day.